Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we say our program, we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. On my monitoring spirit that they call Football Insider, don't come outside, they let us know, say Douglas Luiz don't inform in France, say in they very keen to join Arsenal, saying like Arsenal and he would like to join them in the future. So that future now, we never really know whether the future now for January, I've been at the end of the summer, you get. You know, say last time out, the guy said personal terms. Now them Aston Villa hierarchy, now I know Greece sell the guy because it looks like if they sell him, how they want to take replace him. Even though with the feel say they don't buy the don't call, where they will take replace him, but it no really work. And the guy said the kind of relationship we in with Steven Gerrard gets and the Arsenal hierarchy. You know, if we tender transfer request, come push for a move, say okay, by force, I need to leave. No disturb them for training like the way Anthony did disturb Ajax before they come sell and give Manchester United. He just be quiet, just did. But the $1 million question now be say whether Arsenal go back for him because the guy said they keen to join. By January, he will be eligible to accept pre-contract offers from other clubs, from Arsenal or anybody where they interested in him. And inside information, what you also get to say Aston Villa don't tender fresh contract talks. They don't start open talks with him. When he sign a new contract, the guy never won't sign. You get, because his mind has been made up already from the onset. He don't tell them say he won't leave because he did there. You know, say European football, it may not happen. You get, and don't be saying I won't win anything. And as a footballer, you won't look back at the end of your career and see some kind of laurels. So, okay, I won this. But you tell your children, okay, I won this, I won that. Don't say, you tell your children, I was a professional football for 20 years. Okay, daddy, what did you win? I did not win anything. Yeah, you know, that kind of thing, get as it be. So that's why I believe, say, the guy they tell in France. And as they in France, normal, some of them get loud mouths now, it go they leak. Well, that's good news for me. It should say the guy like Arsenal like him. So now Aston Villa by January, if we go for him again, we'll see whether they will reduce the price. I mean, they will hold their gun and say we are not selling. We'll just the watch. About the Queen's funeral, the Queen Elizabeth will die. They don't put them on Monday, the 19th, because Prince Charles will not be King Charles now. When they announce them, so they can't talk saying like a bank holiday. So many pundits say that's going to be on Monday because we they expect say maybe not like on Sunday it will be before we be 18th. And that Sunday, you know, say some matches go there for England, and there's no way they will bury Queen on the 18th. Now, how they play match on the 18th? So now if we say they don't push the burial this thing, it don't do on the 19th. It will be a bank holiday. So we are expecting the games to go on. The PSG talk sha, we never really know how they go, but I just hopeful that games will go on. So anyhow way they go sha, I will let you know. Then away from that, Tim Stillman, maybe one of our super marathoning spirits where they out there, can they explain why Gabriel Jesus was not invited to Brazil? You get, even Tite said don't come outside talk say he won't give fringe players the time, mean they just can't try their best, mean see what they get to offer. So Oga team can they talk say Gabriel, somebody like Gabriel Jesus now in sports for Brazilian national team, Nashola, so you get na guaranteed. You get, that's why they don't want to really disturb him because the World Cup is coming in 2 months. So what's on the check now? How many strikers then get? Will be number 9. You get, so in your own position, that one Nashola. So they don't just give some kind of fringe people opportunity. But back on the talk, so people like Martinelli, people like Gabriel Morales, their own sports never be Shola. That he's even surprised why they don't invite them for the friendly. Because how many matches Martinelli don't play for Brazil setup? So from now to that 2 months where World Cup will start, the way Martinelli go play, the way Gabriel Morales go play, and the way Arsenal go perform, now he go shift Tite head, maybe Brazilian coach, to know whether he go stay invited because they never bring out the finalists. Say okay, now the list of players who they go with this. These are the defenders, these are the wingers, these are the strikers. No, so everybody still get like 2 months or 1 month and to impress the manager because the manager is going to travel. They come some kind of clubs, come sit down, watch match. You know, you get people going to monitor different statistics to know which players think will call because they want if they go to World Cup. Normal Brazil are always favorites when it comes to World Cup competition. So me as an Arsenal fan, I pray for my own Arsenal boys. So say they do very well, maybe they invite them because I don't want maybe their morale go scatter. You know, like when your country don't invite you to go represent them, it's in the affect person. I go there as they watch other people when they represent in our country. So we just the watch 2 months is still fast. Our Paul Messi himself don't come outside the talk say he don't see enough to know say this Fabio Vieira is a very, very exciting player. Like the guy is very, very good. So that small cameo appearances when you watch against Manchester United, that the guy came in and did very, very well. So they happy with that. So if they expect say the match he was supposed to play on Sunday against Everton, so maybe they hope say that match, say now we go use at least try that Fabio Vieira, make him play very well. But as they don't postpone no yawana, maybe now the next Thursday match now they go play against PSV for Emirates. Maybe that one they will come bring in Fabio Vieira again. We could see much of the things that the guy will do. Or since then they postpone matches, everybody they fit so that we'll put our normal first 11 line of who they deploy for EPL for that match, and they already know to keep the boys fit, and they already know. Go just the watch. McQueen don't come for IG. We go back on the park, on the cry, on the talk, many things about the way that Europa League match go win score. So back on the talk say God is wonderful. This is a dream come true to debut with this giant shirts. I'm very, very happy for the goal and the victory, and this is just the beginning. Let's go. And we say we're very, very happy because all of us on the clamor say give McQueen a trial again. And McQueen will talk about give him a trial. Let us see how things are going for him, and it's going very, very well. So I won't be say that guy 80 minutes or 70 minutes, 75 minutes. If Saka they do very well or he don't tire, or they introduce McQueen, so Saka go they get a breather, mean they rest to get, may replenish all those lost energy and lost fluids. When just they get better because this guy played so many matches last season, and I believe say those burnouts, they affect him this season. The guy needs to rest, so then go come in fresh. So now what they expect. The Athletic will be one of our monitoring spirit itself. Don't come outside and let us know. So the Metropolitan Police for UK don't assure Arsenal say they on ground to make sure say the match between PSV and Arsenal it go hold. And why this thing can be significant? Because say that they prepare for the burial. You get so, and they say England now and they now many visitors from all over the world. They come Westminster Abbey. Everybody they come visit the new king. They come pay homage. Though somebody do condolence visits. So the police they stretch to get. And say if Arsenal they play, police have to secure the ground, and nobody Arsenal go play. So Champions League have just go play for England, so or London, and they go stretch them. So go be very, very easy. Get so they don't make criminals or people get evil intention can take advantage of the lack of policing, the way police the day before, because they are super stretch. So but now I don't give us and say confirm we did there, nothing they solve. That match we weapon and secure because then get discussion. Arsenal go let them say if I know say no please secure this thing, give us 100% protection. I beg no kukuma postpone them because UEFA self they quiet, UEFA they silence. Never talk about this death of Elizabeth, whether it go affect any match for London and all. So well, we don't get the Shola guarantee say the match will go ahead. We tell the men at the EPL on where they go play for on weekend. We never know that one say go hold, I be no go hold. More just watch, but at Brentford will they play for weekend. More just watch as that one will be. The PSV match now another perfect audition for us to see Cody Gakpo. We don't hear Cody Gakpo. People go to wonder who be this guy when they play for PSV. They say the guy they bust net anyhow. Last season he had like over 40 something goal contribution. He scored 20 something goals, do like 17 assists. Like the guy is very good. They play very well. But now shit back at me, I believe saying they play with all those kind of small people in there for them. Now we're saying go play against an Arsenal. Hey, now me I want to watch him. Man see what thing they bring to the table. Man see how he go play against Zinchenko, play against maybe Ekere Tierney. Get man see how he go do all these things, or if now the other Tomiyasu or Ben White. Let me see. Now at least if they play people will be senior men for England. Or yeah, make us say this is a perfect audition so that if he play very, very well, we are going to talk say I'm gonna make Arsenal go buy this guy. We make Arsenal go buy the guy. The guy is very, very good. That is stuff of champions. So when we watch him, I go no boy. If we can't nullify and keep him quiet, I go rest in a shit pack. I go no Zahana. If Zaha play Arsenal, normal, he go still prove himself. No say I did here. He said that's why we the clamor say make Arsenal go sign Zaha. Say the guy is a very, very good player. Imagine saying no they play very well. So when they talk to me, they go sign him. So that's the main issue. A former Arsenal vice chairman, what they call David Dean, don't come outside the urge Arsenal hierarchy. Say make them bring back Arsene Wenger to the club. You get. Say the guy don't come out for the club, he don't say, and they never give him any job. Even though Mikel Arteta said don't come outside from media settings, come talk say he go like make Arsene Wenger come back to the club, come take a role. They never know which role they will give him, but at least an advisory role. Then they go like making contact because David Dean will be former vice chairman. They talk say as I went that day now, they pursue the guy, just pursue him, do not give him any role. Now this same guy when I feel say they good enough for us now. Now he can be in charge of FIFA, and I be head of global development for FIFA. I don't see him. See, FIFA they control many countries. When I thought say they good enough for our own club. But what if Baba don't understand me say when it comes to coaching, like say as a coachee, the guy, no, we needed something different because we're not going forward. Come like say, we got they frugal, they spend nothing again. So many things we need to do that time. We don't really like I'm selling our best players and all that. So it good they come out and quite right. But the problem is say they for still retain them as advisory role. Thank God say our manager now Ateta say make them bring them back. So we are expecting maybe they will give them role. But you know go fit come back because of this FIFA work when they do now. Unless him go got to resign for FIFA because nobody they work for FIFA when they do advisory role for club again, it no go make sense. So I never know how it will be, but I know say the Arsenal hierarchy they reason everything that they talk. Now about this Queen burial, so many players don't come outside for social media when they talk about their loving memories when they get with the Queen. So to walk out say come outside talk say he remember 2006 when we say Arsenal they opened the Emirates Stadium for the first time. They opened out to the public. They invited the Queen to come honor the event, but the Queen no go. Now Arsenal invite them. The Queen no get chance, so she no go. So for 2007, she can't invite Arsenal to Buckingham Palace, but they can't drink tea with her, like the honor the team. Everybody go there with their tuxedo. Arsenal is the only club that has been invited to the Buckingham Palace to come and visit the Queen or drink tea with the Queen. So during that event, you got to talk some kind of funny things will happen. As a winger carry them go, and Henry said did there. So they're going to say that time, during that time, that's about 15 years ago. There, during that time. Now Ebue now be like the clown of the team, the guy they make everybody laugh. So where did they go? Henry come on and say, Ebue, this is the Queen's household. Don't go and do anything funny. Don't do anything here. Now Queen house you do. He said no wala. So when Henry come they introduce everybody to the Queen. Queen shake everybody around, know everybody name. They stand them pictures. So when they go say, okay, this is Emmanuel Ebue, okay, this is Theo Walcott, and this is Sandros, or this is all this kind of level. So as they do that, so when they can shake Ebue finish. So the Queen gonna go, Ebue can call the Queen, say, ma'am. The Queen gonna look back, say, how are you? Let's say, I don't want to play football again. I want to be in charge of your dogs. Because the Queen gets some kind of courageous. Get name they call the dog. Now see something. So you call the dog, say, gonna tell the Queen, say, I don't want to play football again. I want to help you train your dogs. I will feeding them every day, making sure they're happy. Say the Queen gonna laugh. Even Queen Prince Phillips gonna laugh. Everybody bust laugh. I said, I bust laugh. Like it was very funny. Even Ebue said, come confirm the tweet, say yes, it happened. But everything like the loving memory of the Queen. I will wish her R.I.P. So make her soul rest in perfect peace again. And now we have a new king, so that's what it just be. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of the screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click and see that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.